way being sick literally makes me feel like the ugliest person rat on this entire earth. I feel so gross. And tomorrow is my birthday and I'm sick. And you know what? I hate being sick on my birthday. So you're telling me the only one day I get out of the year to have an excuse for everything, to be hyped? You telling me I'm gonna be sick? You're telling me? Guess what? Today's video is a glow up with me. We need to save money so that we can spend more money on our birthdays. Girl math. So if you want to glow up with me or save this for when you want to have a 24-hour glow up, keep on watching. So the first thing that we're gonna do is an everything shower. And if you don't know what an everything shower is, it's washing our hair, washing our face, shaving everything that you want to shave, exfoliating, conditioning your hair. I'll show you all the products that I am going to be using. It's gonna make me feel refreshed, a little better, because I'm not feeling the best right now. So let's go do that. So now that we took an everything shower, we're gonna go in and treat our hair to some love. I'm gonna go in with this leave-in conditioner by Garnier Fructis. I would say it works pretty well. It does detangle. Just gonna start with the ends, of course. And once I brush it all down, I am going to let it air dry, and my hair takes forever to naturally air dry on its own, but I don't have a blow dryer, so that's what we're gonna have to do for today. And that's fine. By tomorrow it should be dry if I leave it all down today. Yeah, this is my hair, guys. So while my hair is drying, I'm gonna go in with this wild berry and honey yogurt recovery mask. I've never used this. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it on. I don't know what I was expecting because it's literally like yogurt. It smells like strawberry yogurt, and I don't really like that, to be honest. I'm sick and I don't like that. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off. I'm gonna go ahead and use this deep cleanser. I'm not gonna lie, that mask did kind of leave my face feeling smooth, but I just could not get past the smell. Almost like a yogurt that was going bad. So don't recommend that. So this is my skin. It does feel kind of like hydrated and refreshed, but I don't know if that's just because I washed my face again. We're gonna do some skincare, starting off with this product. It's a toner by Glow Recipe, all over your face. I don't know if I would repurchase it because it is a pricey item, but we're using products that we already have at home. Next, I'm gonna go in with Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment, and this has avocado in it. This is supposed to be super moisturizing. Okay, I did not expect it to actually be like green. And we're gonna apply it under the eye, other eye. It feels really nice. Okay, I like that. I do. Wow. Next, I'm gonna go in with the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. Super good. I love it. This is my go-to moisturizer. I just apply a lot because I do have dry skin, and now that I've been sick, my skin is a lot drier. And again, put it all over your face. Thank you for supporting me because I was not gonna make this video. And this, oh my god, I cannot get over this lip mask. Under eyes, hydrated. Skin, hydrated. Lips moisturized and hydrated. Nobody talks about how hard it is when you're sick. Having to take care of your kids while you're sick and you don't feel good. That involves a lot of strength. I'm just taking this Aquaphor for my nose, and then once I recover, I'm gonna throw it out. Lastly, for some body cream, we have to treat our skin, our body. This is the Rare Beauty hydrating body lotion. It smells amazing, super hydrating, and it makes your skin look so like hydrated, like shiny, hydrated. I'm gonna take like a 15-minute break because I'm struggling. So see you in the next clip. So next we're going to do our eyebrows. So my eyebrows are not that bad, but they are a little bit grown out. So I'm just gonna clean them up and tweeze them. This is as good as I'm gonna get them. So now that my hair is mostly dry, I'm going to add this Odell hair oil. I really recommend it. I talked about it in my monthly favorites video if you guys want to go and see that. Like that. And then I do the other side. I'm going ahead and doing my little pedicure. Not really pedicure because I'm not like soaking. This is just a Revlon. I think you're not supposed to use these, but I'm gonna use it. So if you are going to be using this, I do want to say you need to be very, very careful. Your feet are sensitive, so this is dangerous. It could leave your feet raw. I like to go in with this Jergens lotion to hydrate my feet. I'm gonna show you guys like my heel. Yes, I have wrinkly feet, who cares, but it's like a lot smoother now. I'm gonna go ahead and do my press-ons. I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little glow up 24 hours with me birthday prep glow up. I don't know what I'm going to title it, but thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.